Hi, I'm Nandini and welcome back to my channel. This series is all about exploring the beauty, culture and soul of Japan. I will take you on a journey to uncover real Japan. Join me as I discover hidden gems, share unforgettable experience and connect with the heart of the incredible country. So, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share and to comment on my channel and let's embark on this adventure together. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to part 2 of our magical journey through the Harry Potter making studio tour. If you haven't watched the part 1, make sure to check it out on my YouTube channel. Today we are diving even deeper into the world of wizardry with more behind the scenes secrets, iconic sets and jaw-dropping props. So grab your butterbeer and let's continue the adventure. So we are here at this making studio and we enter the making studio where we found out the portrait posters of Harry Potter Deadly Hollow Part 1 and 2, and here we can see the fantastic beads where to find them and moving further, we can see the all Harry Potter series photos, portraits, posters, and even the makers' photos, posters. Here we can see the Warner's brothers and also the amazing directors and makers. Moving further, we enter the Great Hall entrance gate. Before we enter the Great Wall, they show us a picture of making how Harry Potter made and behind the scene and everything in a movie format. And after that, they give the introductory speech in Japanese. After that, they let us in finally. We begin our journey right here in the one of the most breathtaking set, the Great Hall. Just imagine, this is where Harry, Hermione and Ron had first feast and where countless and unforgettable moments happen. The details are simply incredible. From the floating candles above the house and points the counter on the wall and they assembled Dumbledore statue, Hagrid statue there. And now we are entering the grand staircase, also known as moving staircase, where you can see these stairs are really moving for real. Yes, and here are some photos that also is moving like in a movie. We see the pictures are moving and yeah, you can see the staircase is also moving and we were so amazed by seeing this prop has been all set in Tokyo. I can't believe it. And after that we had a chance to take our photo in moving pictures, but we accidentally posed not movingly. So yeah, they were just still photos, but yeah, we were actually moving our hands little bit. Yeah, it was great fun, and we were exiting Hogwarts the moving staircase, and after that we entered the miniatures models of houses in Ron's and Hermione's houses, and they were top on neat, and we were stunned how they beautifully decorated one and each corners with amazing details. Moving further, we see the fat lady saying portrait. The girl was seen in very first movie. After that, she replaced by the lady over here, and the old one was in the portrait frame. Here we see the common room of Harry Potter scenes, where most of the scenes were done. And here is the Harry Potter bedroom, hostel bedroom. After that, we move further. We all remember the unforgettable scene in Chambers of Secret where Ron, Hermione, and Harry proved the complicated polypotion rules to sneak the solitary territory. In this scene was took place here. Here is the Ron, Harry, and Draco. There was a fun activity where we have to cheers to the team in the game of Quidditch, and they filmed us. And here is the scene we have recorded. Yeah, I can see myself in the recording. Here I was forced to cheer for Slytherin, but I'm a big fan of Harry Potter. Gryffindor. So I was not in a costume. So we were there for cheering the team of Slytherin. But in the heart, I was cheering for Harry Potter. After that, we exited the Quidditch set. Moving further, there was lots of crops and props from very first season of Harry Potter to the end of the series, and I was totally confused. It was very difficult to guess in the prop where it was used. So I was in a puzzle game, as you can see. I was curious more than my mama papa, and each and everything made me excited even more. The set was not boring at all. The adventure is coming and coming. I was so excited and thrilled to see what is coming next. And here we can see the room of requirement. Moving further, we were standing in front of truly iconic artifact from the wizarding world, the pensive, the enchanted basin that holds memory. If you remember, Professor Dumbledore used to reveal hidden truth and revive moment from the past. After that, we exited the wizard world. While exiting, we can see the two Dumbledores and Sirius, the very friend of Harry Potter. Moving further, we can see all the props and crops of the Harry Potter series, and also you can also see and enjoy the costume here. All the series costume were here. We have now entered the Polypotion Juice Lab, where Hermione has spelled the three and I have experiment and do some polypotions to juice experiment, and here my mom and dad are also helping me out to make a polypotion juice. You can see where my father is rotating the wand and is making the polypotion juice for Harry Potter and Hermione, and here we go with my mother. My mother as well joined us to make a polypotion juice. See how sweetly they have enjoyed the trip of Harry Potter with me. Now we were at the library set where Harry usually um, do the mysterious mischief things and get into the trouble always. And after that, we had a fight with the editors, and we accomplished and we won. And we were chanting Expectro Patronum spell towards the editors, and finally we won. And he has died on the spot. Here are the things that had been destroyed by Harry Potter himself. In total 8 series, we can see the props that had been destroyed by him. Now we are heading towards the Forbidden Forest, and it was the entry gate of Forbidden Forest, where we get the surprise. Hagrid was welcoming us with his backbeak, which was seen in Prisoner of Azkaban with Harry Potter. And here I am going inside the Forbidden Forest, and it was dark and scary, but your girl is not scared of Harry Potter. Yeah, but every horror film scares me, but not this one. This one is my friend, and I'm always have fun to watch Harry Potter series. And now we are entering the scariest Forbidden Forest. Here you can see the backbeat flying, and moving further we can see Deaditors, and here we can actually see the Deaditors were attacking my Harry Potter. It's so unfair, and we had a task to save him from the Deaditors, and now I am here to save my Harry Potter from the Deaditors. And we spell the famous spell Expectro Patronum.
皆さん、もう一度力を貸してください。皆さん、もう一度力を貸してください。
Died on the spot. Yeah, we won the battle and saved Harry Potter and Sirius Black. Where did you watch this scene in the movie? Please comment down below. We were exiting Forbidden Forest, but with the plot twist, I didn't know about this. We were heading forward, and we got a big surprise. Our Argog was waiting for us. The giant Acromantula from the series. The exhibit showcased the intricate work of creature effect team who brought Argog to a life with a flight span of 5.5 meters during the filming of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. It required 15 operators to maneuver the complex animatronics, making of Aragog a truly lifelike presence on screen.